Hello, everyone. I'm so excited to explore something fascinating with you today, the concept of yin-yang.
Today's session will help us understand ourselves better and create harmony in our work and relationships.
We'll cover three main areas. First, understanding what yin-yang really means, then taking a fun personality quiz, and finally, learning how to apply these insights to improve our team dynamics. Let's start with the basics. You've probably seen the yin-yang symbol before, that famous black and white swirl. But what does it really mean?
The yin-yang symbol is actually an ancient representation of harmony. It shows us that life is all about balance. Think about it like the natural rhythms we see everywhere.
Like day and night.
Exactly, or like the changing seasons.
That's why we want to talk about yin-yang in TomoFun. We focus on three main points: balance, appreciation, and finally, collaboration.
The importance of balance is, like we just mentioned, the harmony of two different traits. Then, appreciation is to appreciate the other side. It is the fundamental part of make it balanced.
Last but not least, collaboration is the key. You may find out the concept we said basically is a step-by-step process.
These three elements are crucial. It can make our TomoFunner work freely on the foundation of mutual respect.
We respect and appreciate people with different personality types in a workplace. Some people are quick to act, while others prefer to reflect first.
And that's precisely why this concept is so valuable in modern life. When we understand these natural dualities, we can work together more effectively.
Let's talk about what makes someone more yang, and I'll use myself as an example.
Perfect. Share with our audience what it means to have yang energy.
Well, we yang types are full of energy. We love taking action, making quick decisions, and jumping right into new projects. We're the ones who say, let's do it now, and figure out the details along the way.
And that energy is so valuable. Now, let me share about yin traits, since I tend to embody more of those characteristics.
Yes, you're definitely my calm counterpart.
Indeed, yin personalities tend to be more reflective. We value patience, careful consideration, and deep thinking. We like to observe and process before taking action.
It's like you're the calm lake to my rushing river.
That's a lovely metaphor. And notice how we're demonstrating these traits right now in our conversation?
Now for the fun part. Before we go further, let's get everyone involved.
Take a moment to reflect. Do you think you're more yin or yang?
Are you more like me, always ready to jump into action, or more like my colleague here, thoughtful and reflective?
There's no right or wrong answer. It's all about self-discovery.
Look at your screen now. You'll see a QR code. Scan it to take our special yin-yang quiz. Now that everyone's thinking about their traits, let's explore how to use this knowledge in real life.
Let's start with communication in team settings. What's your approach as a yang personality?
I love speaking up in meetings, sharing ideas, getting everyone energized, pushing projects forward.
While as a yin personality, I excel at active listening and processing information deeply. I might not speak first, but I often notice details others miss.
Together, we make an amazing team. I can stay actively in the meeting, but also learn from you. Practice active listening in group discussions.
For me, I can try speaking up in a group, learn from each other.
I start the brainstorming.
And I help refine the ideas. You drive action.
And you make sure we're not missing anything important. It's perfect.
Let's talk about how these traits appear in leadership roles.
As a yang leader, I focus on quick decision-making and motivating the team. I love creating high-energy environments where things get done.
While yin leaders often excel at observation and empathetic communication, we create space for everyone to be heard and ensure sustainable progress.
Let's make this super practical. What specific strategies can leaders use when working with team members who have different traits?
The key is gradual adaptation. Let's look at two common scenarios.
Like when a reflective yin leader works with energetic people like me?
Exactly. For yin leaders managing yang team members, there are three main strategies. First, gradually speed up implementation. Don't try to match yang energy immediately. Build up to it.
That makes sense, like a warm-up.
Second, create opportunities for quick wins. This keeps the team motivated while maintaining structure.
And third,
Hold short, focused sessions. This maintains team energy while ensuring productive outcomes.
now what about Yang leaders with Yin team members? That's probably trickier for someone like me.
It's all about finding balance. Yang leaders should implement changes gradually, create quiet spaces for reflection, and finally maintain their natural enthusiasm while respecting boundaries.
Time for a quick exercise. Everyone, clasp your hands together naturally.
Now switch. Put your other thumb on top. Feels strange, doesn't it?
This shows how finding balance might feel uncomfortable at first, but it's so important.
Remember, whether you're more yin or yang, both qualities are valuable.
The key is understanding and appreciating these differences in yourself and others.
Thank you all for joining us today.
Don't forget to complete the quiz if you haven't already. See you next time.